Good morning. I wanted to come with you with a tutorial for today on Wow brows, and really just how to have a super simple brow look without a whole lot of effort. And so first thing I want to do is I want to show you how to brow map, okay? Brow map. And so if you tweeze your brows, wax your brows, thread your brows, all of this works just the same. You want to make sure when you're brow mapping that you can lay a pencil or your brow brush up and down just like this, and you don't have any brow hair on this side of the pencil, okay? Next, you want to be able to lay a pencil or your brow brush at an angle and take it right through the center of your eyeball, and where the highest spot that it hits on your brow is where you want the highest spot of your arch to be. And so my highest spot would be right in this section. Okay, so we've done this, and now we're gonna go out here, and you want your brow to extend no farther out than the edge of your eye, okay? And so you can tell on mine, they're a little sparse on the end, and so I will have to fill in. If this is the first time for you to watch a makeup tutorial with me, I'm Jacqui Hodges, and I teach women about skincare, makeup, and how to build home-based beauty businesses. So welcome. All right, so we've mapped our brows like that. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this handy dandy little eyebrow pencil. It's a mechanical definer, and I'm gonna hold it at an angle. When you hold your brow pencil at an angle, like so, and create short feathery strokes, it fills it in more naturally than if you're holding it with a really heavy hand, okay? And I have to do a little bit of filling in. There's lots of different colors for brow pencils, and I like a very natural look. If you like something a little more defined or a little more dramatic, you could go a little darker. I feel like a blonde pencil is perfect for almost every brow if you're just filling in, if you just want to fill in sparse brows, okay? Remember, I said I had to add a little out here. When you do short feathery strokes, you can't see definite lines unless like you're looking like this, and who's gonna be up that close looking? Okay, all right, so this brow's filled in. We went here, here, and now I'm gonna put just a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so I'll just do the other side really quickly. Okay, so when I'm looking at my brows, you can tell that this brow just needs it needs pulled in just a little bit. Like I tweezed maybe a little too much. I'm just gonna add a little more right here to make it. Brows are like sisters, they're not twins, so they don't have to look exactly alike, and that's okay if they don't. All right, that's a little bit better. And then my final step, which is my absolute favorite part, and actually this next step is what I probably wear more on a regular everyday basis. This is a full makeup look. This is not like my mom makeup. I'm a mom of 5, homeschooling family. I don't do all of this every day. I have a really basic dash and go look. And with my dash and go look, I always do still wear a brow, but I wear tinted brow gel. So fast, so easy. We're gonna finish off the brow look with the tinted brow gel today, but this is what I normally use for just my everyday look. It's a little, this is dark blonde, and there's different shades, but it's a dark blonde. It's on a little mascara spoolie, and you just touch your brow hair with this. It kind of defines it, lays it down, smooths it out, and gives it just a little bit more color. This is what I generally do all alone when I'm just doing my dash and go mom makeup. So for today, it's just a really nice finish. And okay, I think that will finish us up. 3 super easy steps, not complicated, no stencils required, no big arches, no major filling in, no drawing on, just a brow pencil or a brow brush. You didn't see me do this, but before we started, I had combed my brows to get them all smoothed out. Brow pencil, tinted brow gel. 3 really, really basic tools that give you just a really nice wow brow. If you haven't subscribed to my newsletter, that's just full of weekly beauty tips, tutorials, fun, inspiration, encouragement, I would love for you to do so. You can go back to my Instagram page. There's a link there to sign up if that's how you got to this tutorial. And if there's anything that I can do to serve you in regards to your eyebrows or your skincare, or cosmetics, or even just a prayer, message me and let me know. I love what I do, but more than what I do in regards to the beauty business, I love the women that I get to work with, and I love the relationships. So if there's any way that I can serve you in regards to relationship, reach out to me. I'd love to do so. Have a great day. Bye-bye.